Hey guys, here's another step for the movie poster series.
Now that we've made Zero into a smart object, I'm comfortable with making changes to him. Here we go. I want to change the brightness and contrast, as well as some of the color tones, but I want to do it in a way so I can revert, change, or get rid of them whenever I want. That is where the power of the adjustment layer comes in. Adjustment layers are separate image layers that are strictly for making changes to your image. But like any other layer, you can change how they look, and you can delete them. When it comes to making changes to your image, separate layers are key. At the top of Photoshop, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and we're going to start with Brightness and Contrast. And we will call it Zero Bright / Contrast. Press OK. Now it's already done it for me, but in some cases, this layer won't show up in the folder that I've created. The importance of this is that if this layer were at the top of all the layers and you made changes, then everything gets changed. But if you put it into the folder and then click this little button right here, which affects all of the below layers, and as long as it's in the folder, then it will only select this layer, then the brightness and contrast will only change for 0. So let's get started. I'm going to change the brightness a little bit so it better matches. Up the contrast to create a greater effect so he has more depth. And we're already off to a good start. That's pretty good. Now let's change the color tones a little bit. Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Color Balance. We'll call it Zero Color Balance. Same thing with this button. Click it. There we go. Add a little bit of red, add a little bit of yellow. We're trying to both match the colors of the poster that are behind him, as well as creating a little bit of dramatic effect. Highlights, let's add a little yellow to his sword and to his skin tones. That's pretty good. I'm digging it. And let's do one more thing. We're going to change the saturation a little bit because it's a little too colorful. Layer, New Adjustment Layer, HueSaturation, call it Zero Saturation. Press our button again and bring it down just a little bit. There we go. He's looking a little bit more human, not too colorful. But the beauty of this is that if I want to make changes, it's going to be much less of a pain in the ass to make the changes later. So we still got a lot of work to do on integrating Zero properly into this poster. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the importance of the burn and dodge tools.